Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, let's go for the settings. Right now scroll down and click on the storage. Right now we have to scroll down one more time, tap on the cleaner, click on the agree. And right now we can check what is exactly in the memory. And I don't want to delete these applications. And let's check also the packages, and I want to save also the onto the benchmarks. So other stuff I can delete, so click on the cleanup, and as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.